Let me show you how to delete your Jio Hotstar account. For whatever reason, if you don't need this account anymore and you're trying to completely close or delete your account, let me show you the steps. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you watch it until the end and let's get straight into the video. From the app of Jio Hotstar, make sure you're inside of MySpace, which is on the bottom right, and then you can head over to the help and settings option on the top right of the screen. Once you tap on help and settings, you'll see a few options that you can choose from. In order to delete your account, make sure you select the first option, which is account settings. Inside of the account settings option, you'll get a few different options again, such as the current plan that you subscribe to, the devices that you've been logged into, and the option of delete, which is on the bottom. So just tap on the delete account option. It's going to ask you, are you sure if you want to delete or not? Make sure you tap on confirm and delete your account. Now the one thing that you need to make sure is before you delete your account, make sure you cancel your subscription. If you have subscribed to a plan inside of Jio Hotstar, you'll get a option called cancel right here. Just make sure you cancel the subscription, and after only make sure you tap on delete. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.